petals off the flowers like, do she love me, do she love me not? I ain't a player, I just
you give me that kind of something, want it all the time, need it every day. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at 100, never get enough, I can't stay away. If you want it,
so hard to let go, and I still hear the sound of your voice singing in my head. I can't surrender, cause the rope's slowly coming apart, but hanging by a thread. It's gone on for too long.
time for me to take it. I'm the boss right now, not gonna fake it. Now when you go down, cause this is my game, and you better come to play. I used to hold my freak back, now I'm letting go. I make my own choice.
Blow my whistle baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby? Here we go.
Work, 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 work. You see me heavy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. That's how me